we'll show you how to build a better search using database filters and database features. Database filters are also called limiters. Some of the most common filters that are available in library databases are the following: publication date, source type, subjects assigned to articles, and language. These filters are available in a variety of databases, but for now, I'm going to show you just one database that the library subscribes to. But remember, when you're searching in other databases, look around for these same options because they are usually available. For database features, we're going to cover sorting results, article abstracts, saving, printing, or emailing an article, and getting a citation for an article in your preferred or necessary citation style. Again, these features are also available in most other library databases and not just this one. So be sure to look around for them in the other databases as well. This database is called Academic Search Ultimate. It's a good general academic database that covers articles in a variety of subject areas. I ran this initial search and I have 1,240 results. Now, that's a lot of results to sift through. So I'm going to use the filter options right underneath the search bar to narrow my search results and hopefully get some sources that are more relevant to my research. The first filter that I'm going to show you is publication date. So you're doing research that requires you to read the most up-to-date scholarship on a topic. You may notice that some of the articles in this results list are from before 2020. So I'm going to click on the all-time drop-down menu here and choose past 5 years. Now, once I reload my results, you can now see that everything in this list was published in the year 2020 and later. And that took me down to 310 results. Source type is also a very important filter, especially if your professor has asked you to find academic or scholarly journal articles. So using the source type filter here, you can limit your results to academic journal articles, magazine articles, trade publication articles, newspaper articles, and more. I can limit to any one of these source types by just clicking the checkbox. So I'm going to select academic journals. Now I'm down to 261 results, which is a much better number to scroll through. Another filter you can use to limit your search results is by the language of the article. For this search, I'm going to click to limit to English language articles, but you can choose any of the available languages depending on your needs. Yet another option for finding more relevant articles is to look at the subjects listed under thesaurus terms. Now, using this filter, you can find additional articles tagged with the same subject terms. In this case, say I'm specifically researching video game addiction in teenagers. By clicking that particular subject under this filter, I can find even more articles on this topic. This is also a great place to get additional search terms to add in your keyword search combinations if you're struggling to get enough results. Now, let's look at some of the other features that are available in this database. So, say I have found an article that sounds relevant to my research that I want to check out further. I'm going to click on the article title, and that's going to take me to the article page. Here we have the article title again, along with the author's names, the journal title information, publication date, etc. And then we see the abstract, which is a summary of the article that you can read, first to determine if the full article will really be helpful to your research. If you scroll back to the top, you have options to print, email, or save the article. You can also click to get the citation for your article. APA and MLA are both on this list, but be sure to double check every generated citation against the style handbook because there are sometimes errors. Going back to our list of results now, the last thing that I want to point out to you is that these results are in relevance order. This means the database is trying to bring the best results to the top of the list. You can switch that to date newest if you'd like to see the most recently published articles at the top of the list instead. And the same is true if you prefer to organize your results from oldest to newest. This feature, along with all the other filters and features that we've seen in this demonstration, are also available in many of the other library databases. If you have any questions about any of the search techniques demonstrated in this video, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is available in the video description below. You can also go to Library.Pace.edu and click on the Ask a Librarian button for more help.